Welcome to another episode of Depreciation Nation, and today we are back in Terre Haute, Indiana, courtesy of our friends at Dorsett Automotive. And behind me you will see another one of the American greats, this time a 2015 Mustang GT featuring the 5-liter Coyote engine. This particular car has 13,000 miles on it and has a number of modifications thrown at the motor. Stock, we were making 435 horsepower, and now I am not exactly sure what we are making, but it is sufficient to say that it is significantly more than when it came from the factory. So, let's get into it. Let's go for a drive. So here we are in the 2015 Mustang 5.0, of course powered by the now well-known Coyote V8. This particular car has 13,560 miles on it. The Coyote motor is already known as a high horsepower motor. This one has had significant modifications, and no one is exactly sure on exactly how much power it's making at the moment, but it is sufficient to say that it is making much more than stock. We love the big American V8s. We like the big rumbles. This one is certainly a great opportunity to experience. It is nothing short of absolutely spectacular. This particular car, as you've already seen, is finished in burgundy. Kind of a no-frills package, fabric seats, which I actually happen to love. Particularly in a car like this, you don't quite get tossed around as much as you would in a leather seat. Also, we're going to talk about the Challenger Scat Pack, which we've also done a video on the channel, and this car feels a lot lighter on its feet than that Challenger Scat Pack. Not that that Challenger wasn't phenomenal, because, well, it is. Going out somewhere where we can go a little faster. Car did fishtail a little bit under harsh acceleration. Still very controllable. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Loud, obnoxious. Ride is actually not bad. I've driven 3 of these now, this being the most extreme version of the 3. We drove, actually all 3 of them have been 6-speed manuals. I'm not sure I could buy this car in any other way. The ride is actually quite palatable. Interior's got some nice aluminum trim. Technology is basic, but it's still there with its Bluetooth and things of that nature. Shifter feels really, really nice. And dare I say, a little European. Car is just incredible. I'm a little blown away with what I anticipated. Now, I knew that this had some performance mods getting into it, but they are very well appointed and very, very tasteful. And as a result of that, this is just a very nice place to be, a very nice experience. tail out. out very easily. And still spinning the tires in second gear. This is incredible. So this car is featured as a performance bargain. We definitely believe these 5.0s to be about the best performance for your dollars spent right now in a relatively modern car. We just dropped into 6th gear. We are going 45 miles an hour and we are doing roughly 1,000 RPM. Red line on this car is 6,500. And it feels like it builds power all the way there. Just an incredible experience. The Scat Pack is also incredibly powerful. This just feels different. Doesn't feel as big. It feels lighter on its feet. If I were to take one of these onto a road course between the two cars, this would be the more enjoyable car to run around a racetrack. If I were to potentially go to drag race, that Scat Pack would be phenomenal to drive in a straight line. Scat Pack does feel more powerful. But again, the Scat Pack also has launch control, and it was operating through an automatic transmission, and this car's launch control basically operates between your left and right feet as you modulate the throttle and the clutch pedal. This car, of course, is for sale right now. Again, with our friends from Dorsett Automotive, we thank them very much for giving us the opportunity. And if you're looking for a car like this, you might consider checking this out. And so that is the Mustang GT, yet another car we find to be a performance bargain, and another car that if you are looking for something that is fast, reliable, and easy on the checkbook, this may be the car for you. So, maybe you're interested in a car like this. The link to Dorsett's inventory is in the description below the video. Remember to comment, like, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen so that you don't miss more awesome content like this. We have more coming your way. Talk to you soon.